Hello everyone, my name is Sushil Yadav. I am mother of Arav Yadav who is in class 1B in Venkateshwar school, and I really want to appreciate the immense effort and hard work of all the teachers of Venkateshwar school during these tough times, because I remember when the nationwide lockdown began at the end of March this year. We as parents were very concerned about the future of our kids. We were very concerned about the closure of schools just before the new session. But as we all know, the online classes are emerged out as an innovative way to keep the learning going on during this global pandemic. And online classes are very beneficial for the students because they are learning new things every single day, and it's an opportunity for us also to re-experience our childhood days, to sit with our children and learn and watch what they are learning during these interactive sessions. Besides that, plenty of extracurricular activities are being organized weekly or monthly for overall development of the children. If I talk about my child, he was very shy and introvert type of child when I admitted him in this school 2 years back. But I really want to thank Venkateshwar school from the bottom of my heart for transforming him and making him so confident that he can today he can perform anything in front of anybody without any hesitation. Thank you so much. And I can say I'm completely satisfied with the quality of education they are providing, because I personally believe that education is not just alphabetical learning. It's beyond that. It's an evolution of minds and mindsets. It's not just about bookish knowledge. And in Venkateshwar school, along with education, they are trying to keep the children connected with their roots, with their cultural and moral values, so that they can become a good human being, so that they can become a responsible citizen for this country. And that is I think very much important. And if I talk about Indrani ma'am, yeah, she's, I must say, a very humble person. And she focus on every single child. She pays attention to each and every single child individually. And she boost up their confidence every time, and make them realize that yes, you can do it, you can do it, I am here. Any type of query, any problem, she is always there for the children, for the kids, for us also. So thank you so much, Indrani ma'am. And lastly, I just want to say one thing, that a mother gives birth but a teacher gives worth. So we as mothers gave birth to our children, but you as teachers are giving them worth. So thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, Venkateshwar school. Thank you so much.